code, Bossam Hamoud. Yeah. So a full stack software developer at Microvers. So full stack software student at Microvers. So today I'll be presenting my first solo project developed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Font Awesome, and other tools in Chrome Dev Tools, etc. So it is also available on GitHub. You can follow me on GitHub with username B Muhammad. I'll share all the details later. So today I'll try to, without wasting time, I'll try to present the project. So this is the home page. The home page looks like this. So this section I just used. First of all, the project is related to a school database, local search database, where people can visit and search for the schools locally. For example, I just gave this title, local school database in Uganda, because that is my country. So parents, guardians, or any person can visit and search for the schools there. So it has a local search engine where someone can search with a keyword and then submit, and then data will be coming. And also how it works section, it is button. And then this section, it was developed using Bootstrap, and it is fully responsive. And also this section, it was developed using Bootstrap, and it's fully responsive. And then the footer. The footer is what was also developed using Bootstrap, HTML, CSS. All this section is developed using HTML, Bootstrap, CSS all together. And then it has different pages. I created 3 different pages for the schools also. If you click on schools, it will take you to the school section. Then from the school section, you can search by name, country, education system, and school level. So from there, you can type any school name, you can choose the country, and then you can choose level, kindergarten, primary, secondary, university. You can choose type, gender, male, female, or you can choose also the curriculum. You can search, and also you can clear the form. You can clear all these search forms. So depending on the search criteria, it will give you the count. It will give you the count for the number of the schools visible according to the number of the schools found according to your search criteria. But this is static. It is not. There's no backend code, so it will not be working even if you click on search. It will not be showing anything. Yeah. So these are just for example, these are just results page where you can view different schools, and it has a footer. So from here, if you click on, for example, you select this school, it will redirect you to this page. This page where you can find more details about that school. For example, this is Kampala High School. It is a so you get all the details from here, type system, all the information which is not available, it will not be displayed. For example, these tools information is not available in the database, it will not be displayed. So the information which is available, for example, level, kindergarten, gender, female, it accepts the genders female and male also sometimes, or maybe female only. And then it is a kindergarten, also the email address for the school, the performance, all the history about the school, you can find it in this area. So this section I just used this section, this is also responsive, and also it has some about us for about us section. This is like about us, or more information about the school. For this school, actually these are more details information. So you can also click to view more details here. If you need, for example, this is a small content, so if you click here, you can view more details about the school, and also you can get the map directions from here. So it has also the footer. Yeah, so this page, the whole of this page, it is responsive with the 3 breakpoints for the tablet, mobile, and the large screens. So I just try to inspect just to show you how responsiveness it is. So for this section, it is mobile with the 767. So this section, it will turn to, it will be instead of 2 it will be 1 section, and then the same thing here down. And then now this button for this search button, it will go down, and it is fully responsive. the mobile screen, and then navbar it will be collapse. So if you click on that, it will give you different kinds of different types of links. You can also click and hide. So on the breakpoint of 767, it will be in the that will be, I mean, it will be like this. So from this section, if you go to wider screens, it will be 1025 to be full screen. So it is also visible. Everything is really responsive and working fine. This section is working fine. This section, I'll try to go to this breakpoint 767. It will be in a mobile view. So guys with mobiles can view it from here with that breakpoint. Because those are the free breakpoints required by microverse. Seven, yeah. So it is responsive and working fine. And also, I'll go back to 1025. If I go to the home page, sorry, I'll go to the schools page, this section, it is also responsive. So if you go to the mobile view, it is 767, it will be responsive. All the nav bars will be in the one row. I mean, sorry, these are search inputs and combo box will be in one row, and then the buttons down. And also the search results will be displayed in the row. Yeah, and also it is really balanced well. And from the large screen 1025 will be fine. So it is really responsive and fine. Each and everything is okay. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and really I hope you can support me. Yeah, I have also a YouTube channel. I just upload this video on the YouTube channel. You find it there. Yeah, YouTube channel. So I'll give you all the details. And also one more thing, you can follow me on the GitHub. You can follow me on my GitHub account. It is here. The project is here. You can go and download the projects. It is really responsive on different screens. Yeah, so you can also follow me on the GitHub, on Twitter, and LinkedIn. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.